30th.
We're vlogging.
We're vlogging, yes. Cat food and ice cream.
Live vlogging.
Winner for me, winner for them.
By Edie's.
I don't know what kind to get because my cat is, one is obese and one is thin beast.
Thin beast?
Yeah, but I'm supposed to get the special kind from Griller's Blend. Really?
Ugh.
Grillers.
Grillers.
You really need
Get
to
the Purina one, Smart Blend. We get Purina one. Tell me how much you like cats. Did you know that the last time you were at my house, you wrote, "I like cats," exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, LOL.
Where?
On the whiteboard.
Shut up. I did not. Never.
You did. You did.
I never, ever, ever write LOL on anything.
You wrote it. Do you think, who else wrote it? Who else saw it? You and me.
LOL. That's awesome.
You could get this Naturals Plus vitamins.
No, but I need like a big bag. They go through it pretty fast. Whatever. Okay.
Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. Getting that?
Yeah. Right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Now what else are we gonna do?
I have to pee.
Gonna go pee. I'm not gonna go pee with you.
What kind of body wash do you use?
Cheap brand.
Yeah, you should get Dove Super Moisture.
I have
It's
Dove
really nice.
bar soap.
You use bar soap?
Bar soap.
You use
Dan
it?
I use it sometimes.
I never have used bar soap.
I use
Nathan
for
uses it. So,
feet.
well, not anymore.
My feet.
Your feet. You use Dan's bar soap for your feet. Are we even gonna be in this?
Say goodbye.
What?
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Precious.